Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy without sugar. First, select your preferred sugar substitute. Isomalt is an excellent choice, providing a clear, hard texture very similar to traditional hard candy. Erythritol is another popular option, offering a slightly less sweet profile. It is important to use granular or powdered substitutes, as liquid versions can significantly affect the candy's final consistency and setting ability. Next, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You will need about 1 cup of your chosen sugar substitute and 1/4 cup of water. Have your favorite flavor extracts, like peppermint or fruit, ready, along with any food coloring you wish to use. A heavy-bottomed saucepan and a candy thermometer are absolutely necessary for precise temperature control. Also, prepare your molds or a parchment-lined baking sheet. Now, let's begin the cooking process. Combine your sugar substitute and water in the heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until the sweetener is completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This critical temperature ensures the candy will harden properly. Remove the pan from the heat as soon as it hits this mark. With the pan off the heat, carefully and quickly stir in your desired flavor extract and a few drops of food coloring. Work swiftly, as the mixture will begin to thicken. Immediately pour the hot liquid into your prepared silicone molds or onto the parchment paper. Be very cautious, as the mixture is extremely hot. Let the candy cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 1 hour or until it is completely firm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.